Alright, so now I'm starting the stairs here. So the stairs require a different tool, obviously. More difficult to clean. You'll see. I'm just going to record maybe like 3 steps. Then you'll get the idea of what I'm doing here. So each time I clean stairs, even though it looks like they're the same, they're not. These have a lip right here. So I use this tool to reach in there. Just to be easier. Like I said before in other videos, you know, one tool does not take care of every single kind of problem. Gives you an idea.